Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. You are watching my Ugandan cooking channel, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you. My family, welcome to our channel again. Today we are going to prepare sweet potatoes and beef stew. As you can see, I'm already boiling the meat. I have to boil it until it becomes very soft. Then after, I fry it. And our potatoes, I'm also going to boil them until they become soft a bit. Then I remove them, peel off, and fry them. So my family, now the potatoes are ready. I'm now going to peel them. Now I'm going to cut the sweet potatoes into small slices. I'm just going to fry the sweet potatoes lightly under low heat, just adding some little oil to the pan. Here on our ingredients we have salt, Royco, beef masala, paprika, coriander, and turmeric. So I'm just going to mix it with some water, then add it into the sauce. I'm going to leave it to boil to cook like for 10 minutes. On our sweet potatoes, I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. Our beef stew is now ready. You can see it looks so yummy. So my family, our food is now ready. The sweet potatoes are ready and the beef stew is ready. So I'm just going to serve. So my family, our food is ready. As you can see, it looks so yummy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Tell me where from, which country you're watching me from. Make sure you drop a comment. See you next time. Make sure you like, share and subscribe.